Eastern Ontario is still blanketed with winter weather warnings because of a messy mix of precipitation and high winds that began Thursday night. With the storm expected to continue through the weekend, here is a list of things you need to know going into the holidays, including utility outages, transit and road conditions, and updates from municipalities in the region. According to the latest update from Environment Canada Saturday afternoon, the agency says snow and local blowing snow are continuing in Ottawa today and possibly through the night. Wind gusts of 40 to 70 kilometers per hour will make those temperatures feel even colder. With the wind chill, it will feel near -17 overnight. The agency has issued a blizzard warning for Kingston, Ontario and Brockville, Ontario, as well as the surrounding areas. As of 12 p.m. Saturday, Environment Canada was warning that the crippling conditions will continue until the evening. That region is expecting wind gusts up to 100 kilometers per hour and a whopping 20 to 30 centimeters of snowfall by Sunday. A blizzard warning has also been issued for the Kemptville, Ontario area. Lake effect snow is forecast through the rest of the weekend, so it will likely be a white but messy Christmas. A stretch of Highway 417 from St. Isidore, Ontario to Vars, Ontario that had been closed